Welcome to this lecture on first-trimester biometry, accurate assessment for early pregnancy care. In this session, we will explore the essential biometric parameters that define early pregnancy ultrasound, from confirming viability to establishing gestational age and detecting early deviations from normal development. These measurements are the cornerstone of informed clinical decision-making. Whether you are starting out in prenatal imaging or advancing your expertise, this lecture will guide you toward more precise and confident first trimester assessments. Before we dive in, let's take a quick look at our learning objectives for this lecture. By the end of this session, you should be able to understand the clinical importance of accurate first trimester biometry and how it impacts patient management, learn the correct techniques for measuring key parameters including Crown-Rump Length, mean Sac Diameter, and Nuchal Translucency, and finally you'll be able to accurately estimate gestational age using ultrasound-based measurements following best practice guidelines. These foundational skills are critical not only for dating but also for screening and early risk stratification. The biometry plays a pivotal role in modern prenatal care. Early and accurate measurements are the gold standard for establishing gestational age, far more reliable than menstrual dating, especially in cases of irregular cycle or uncertain LMPs. These measurements also help identify early pregnancy complications such as miscarriage, blighted ovum, or ectopic pregnancy, allowing timely interventions. And most importantly, they are essential for screening chromosomal abnormalities, particularly through nuchal translucency and early structural assessment. Simply put, what we measure in the first trimester shapes everything that follows in prenatal care. MSD is the key measurement used in the very early stages of pregnancy, typically before the embryo is visible, usually under 6-week gestation. The formula is simple: length plus height plus width divided by 3, and all dimensions are measured inner to inner to ensure accuracy. When Crown-Rump length is not yet obtainable, MSD serves as a useful proxy for estimating gestational age. A normally developing gestational sac grows at an average of a rate of about 1 mm per day, making serial measurements a helpful tool when viability is uncertain. Remember, in the absence of a visible embryo, MSD becomes our earliest biometric guide.